Doctor is one career that is recession-proof forever, given we as a mankind will continue facing healthcare challenges like disease and pandemics. Healthcare is required by people across all age bracket, which not only means that a career in this field is not prone to recession but also one of the noblest. If you are someone who is looking to make a positive impact on people's life, then contribute to healthcare advancement and save life through medical practice. Hey guys, my name is Aarti and welcome to Aarti Education. Now let's talk about the MBBS abroad. Top universities in Australia, New Zealand, in the UK and in Ireland. Also, we will discuss the course duration, entry requirement, tuition fees and lot more. Before we begin, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and do follow us on Instagram too. Let's start with basics first. So MBBS is also known as MBCHB in the UK as well as in the New Zealand, while it's commonly known as Bachelors of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery, MB, BCH, BAO in Ireland. In Australia, students are offered a combined degree or a 3+3 program wherein student can study 3 years of Bachelors of Medicine and 3 years of Doctor of Medicine. A lot more universities are conducting interview as a part of their selection process. Over to the universities now. Let's start with the West. UK is the home for several prestigious universities for MBBS such as Imperial College London, King's College London, University of Bristol, Newcastle University, University of Central Lancashire, University of Sheffield and University of Buckingham. If we look at its neighbor, Ireland, so Ireland has 3 famous universities for MBBS. First is University College Dublin, second is Trinity College Dublin and third is Royal College of Surgeons in Ireland. Now if we look eastwards, some of the best Australian medical schools include Monash University, University of South Wales, University of Adelaide, Bond University and University of Tasmania. And the tiny island country of New Zealand has 2 medical schools. One is University of Otago, second is University of Auckland. Now let's discuss the course duration in the UK and in Ireland. So it usually takes 5 years to complete this degree. However, in Australia and in New Zealand, the program typically spans for 6 years. Let's discuss the entry requirement. As far as Australia and New Zealand is concerned, 7 band in IELTS are recommended in addition to 80 to 90% in class 12 and are also required to give UCAT or the University Clinical Aptitude Test. Australian universities are little competitive and require you to score more than what is mandated. If you look at the UK, you have to score really well in IELTS 7 to 7.5 band, need 80 to 90% in your class 12 and also required to take the UCAT exam. Many universities in UK may ask for BMAT or biomedical admissions test. A lot of universities will also mandate interview as a part of their selection process. Now over to the tuition fees. In the UK, tuition fees can range between 1,95,000 to 2,94,000 pounds, which is approximately 2 to 3 crores in our currency. Australian universities can cost you between 3 lakh to 3,50,000 Australian dollars for the full program, which is around 1.6 to 1.9 crore in our currency. If we look at the New Zealand, so the fees will range between 2,40,000 to 4,80,000 New Zealand dollar for the full program, which is around 1.2 CR to 2.4 CR in our currency. If we look at the Ireland, so fees is approximately 2,35,000 euros to 3,36,000 euros for the full program, which is around 1.6 CR to 3.6 CR in our currency. Hope this video has been super helpful and allow you to start your preparation for MBBS abroad. Do note that medical degrees in most of the universities are expensive, so do plan your finances accordingly. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section. And if you like this video, do hit the like button and subscribe to Aarti Education. Thank you for watching and we'll catch up in another video.